take it here. Then after that, if possible, straight here. Or first you can here like this, then take it up. Then after that, you can put your hand forward. Can't speak that time. Okay, so you have to try to catch. But if you can't, so you can use a ball here like this. First cat pose, touch the heel, then chest down, both hands straight, then straight up here, then bend it here, cut it here. And after that, I will help you to take your upper leg up. Yeah, I will help you to take it up. Then how to find the balance. Make it straight. First. Then try to catch your ankle or toe here, like this, straight here. Then take your one hands down, see to the away leg, then tilt it one side and make it straight. Try to find the balance, or if possible, try to catch the ankle and make it straight. Come on. Go to the side. One leg touch to the ball, okay, and so don't lift up, here only, straight. Then another will be go straight, here, then try to catch it here, then try to go back, here, straight. So just try to go back as much as possible. First one, straight. Đấy, hai chân thẳng mà. Một, touch, chạy, chân phải lên.
Làm đi, không nó ngựa hết cơ không làm được đâu. Đạp một chân lên chứ cơ. Chưa có gì đâu, thì một chân đạp vào, một chân lên. Cánh cung. Mình chưa làm được nhưng mà nhưng mà cứ
xoay. First you can swing fully. Đan tay, rồi đan tay. Okay. Lên, thẳng chân, rồi, thẳng chân lên. Find the balance here. Find the balance. Stay on one side. No. Thẳng.